We've spoken and made reference to the mobile computer a few times now. We're going to look to the left and talk about the autonomous RFID gateways. These are fixed readers that can be positioned above choke points in a carpeted area, offices, laboratories, any kind of carpeted area in the facility, as well as the warehouse, the manufacturing environments, at key choke points where items may move through. We'll cover that more later on in this session. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see that today it's incredible what's available for RFID reading autonomous in the form of a robot that can move throughout your facility and track the contents of what's sitting on your shelf, identifying all the items and the locations in which those items are stored. More to come on that as well. But with readers and with tags, and talking more about how the physical gets implemented, I'm going to talk about what you'd see in an operation typical of the use of RFID. I'm going to relate it back to that marine manufacturer environment, which is where there's a repair and service part of their operation, and they're tracking hundreds and upon hundreds of customer assets that are coming in for repair, and how they need to account for it on a regular basis, not only when it's in their facility, but when it's left their facility. So I will weave in throughout this entire session 3 different videos that help to illustrate this point, because with RFID, it's very powerful to be able to see it actually in action rather than just hear me talking about it. Here it comes. The North Team uses numerous Zebra RFD 8500s. When the North Team needs to confirm once a week that all customer assets are on site, a member of the team uses a reader to perform a Florida record inventory, which takes 15 minutes to capture over 600 assets in a 10,000 square foot production and storage area. They also have 2 fixed impinge gateways at the dock door to ensure anything with a tag that enters or leaves through the back door is automatically tracked and recorded with the date and time stamp in the system. When the North Team needs to find any customer asset within the facility, they use the A2B app with the 8500 to enter the item ID and use the A2B Pro Locate feature, which uses RF signal to find the asset within minutes, if not seconds. The A2B Tracking software platform empowers North Sales to achieve 100% inventory accuracy while significantly reducing labor hours and greatly improving customer satisfaction by eliminating customer wait times during pickups.